How to sign in or sign up for the Bitcoin wallet account. Hello everyone and welcome back. If you are using the bitcoin.com and want to open or register for its wallet account, it is quite simple. First of all, you have to visit your Play Store and App Store in order to download the bitcoin.com. For this, just open the application and tap in the install button. This would take around 2 to 3 minutes to download and install the application on your device. Once completely downloaded, you will see a open button pop up. Just tap on it, which should direct you to the application page. On the application page, first of all, you will see the sign in credentials page. You can either enter your email or click on sign in with Google. Tapping on it will then redirect you to the website, and thereby you have to select from your existing email accounts. Just select the appropriate account that you want to create the account from, then tap on continue. Once you have done both of this process, just continue with the third step. For this, you'll be now redirected back to your page. Select on start using the application, and then the application will open. Now, if you want to make any changes to your account or registration process, you can click on the gear icon which is on the bottom right, which is for settings. Now click on different options from backup and security and you can complete your setup. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.